QNT continues to see further breakdown moves, but we continue to hold within a Fibonacci key area of support between the 75.09 USDT mark and the 96.88 USDT mark, which is that blue target area on the charts. And on today's update video, I will be discussing the reasons why we need to continue holding within this area and the key scenarios that can unfold if by any chance we break to the lower side of that target area. So make sure that you stick around till the end of the video. And starting the video here on the daily chart, from the lows we made on the 7th of April, I have been observing a 5-wave structure to the upside, where you can see we picked in this 5-wave structure, completing the formation of that first wave. Then we saw a bit of a breakdown move in the formation of this second wave, which I believe is still unfolding. And the minimum target areas for that second wave were given by connecting the fibs from the lows we made in the formation of that first wave all the way to the highs we made in the formation of that wave 1. And on so doing, you can see that my target area is between the fib level 0.5 all the way to the 7.8, an area that we have now almost fully maximized, and there's a very high chance that the low is in for that second wave, and a bounce is now imminent in the formation of this third wave, which should easily give us a break above the significant high we made above the 110.72 USDT mark and the 135 USDT mark in the next coming days. And I believe that the moment we manage to break above those highs, then we can easily get back above the 150 and the 160 mark in the next coming weeks. Alternatively, in case we continue seeing more pain in the market and maybe at some point we break out of these blue target area to the downside by losing the 75.09 USDT mark, then we should expect that QNT is going to fill in this week that we left over here on the 10th of October after the massive liquidation event. And that means that we could drop all the way to the 50 USDT mark in the next coming days. And that also means that we get a reset of the lows we made on the 7th of April. And on the worst case scenario, if we lose the 50 USDT mark, then I will be expecting to see QNT give us a reset of the bear market lows, which we made back in 2022 below the 40 USDT mark in the next coming weeks. And then once that plays out, then we can expect another bounce, or maybe an attempted bounce to the upside, maybe to new all-time highs. But for now, we need to be cautiously bullish, continue watching those key areas of support, and the key areas of the significant high we need to see a break above lies above the 135 USDT mark for us to consider that we could be getting back into bull market mode here on the QNT chart. So let us be patient and see how that plays out, and I will ensure you stay up to date.